Oh, Mrs. Ice Cream in the hair.
Is this still recording?
No, I'm starting now.
Oh. So what, Kurt? You threw my wallet outside.
Oh, yeah, so let's put ice cream in Kurt's hair.
You threw my... What if a pigeon picked it up? Or a human?
What? I don't know.
Or normal?
Fuck Narwhal.
You know what? Now I gotta leave this open.
What did you do? How long does that feel like that?
That was because of Mr. Muffin.
I want to tape it. Give me the camera.
Give me some water.
He's been... Yeah, give me some water. Let's go. Oh, you're cleaning your hair. Shut the door. Take this. Shut the door.
No. Dude, you start the car. And
Shut the door. Right now, I'm just videotaping the scene. We're all laughing.
Wait, Newt, tell him to go to the front.
Go to the front.
Hit the horn, hit the horn.
Yeah, go to the front.
Go to the front.
Go to the front.
hell no.
I don't have the windshield. I can't do the windshield wipers.
What if he puts his head down?
Damn it.
Alright, let's get the hell out of here.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Ah, it landed in my fucking mouth.
This is why I brought extra towels. That made it worse! Hold on. Hold my ice cream.
I scream at you.
My shoe is still missing. Here, use this to dry your head.
It's got her cooch all over it.
Let's hope not. Quickly, close the door, close the door. Close it, close it.
Why? You got a lock?
Go, close it, go. You did it wrong. No, get off. Get off.
Wait, stop.
I will kick you out of your own car. Get off.
Okay, fine.
I won't. You'll never figure it out. So what? You ready? Hold on the lock, hold the lock there.
Hit the horn, hit the horn. Okay, stop.